Why not consider a sewing machine that caters to all your creative needs, be it a complex fashion design or a simple hemming job? Enter the Brother FS101, a computerized sewing machine that has been thoughtfully designed to cater to both beginners and seasoned sewers. A key feature of the Brother FS101 is its wide array of built-in stitches. This machine comes equipped with a medley of stitches for a multitude of sewing tasks. From straight stitches for basic seams to zigzag stitches for stretch fabrics, and even decorative stitches for that extra flair, the FS101 has you covered. In the digital age, the FS101 stays ahead with its LCD display. This feature allows you to quickly and effortlessly select and customize your stitches. Adjust the stitch length, select the right type of stitch, and even monitor your settings with ease, all at the touch of a button. Threading a needle can be a tedious task, but not with the FS101's automatic needle threader. This feature ensures that the thread goes through the needle's eye without any fuss, saving you precious time and sparing you from unnecessary eye strain. The FS101 also sports a drop-in bobbin system, a feature that makes bobbin placement a breeze. This system not only simplifies the process of setting up the bobbin, but it also allows for easy monitoring of the bobbin thread. Sewing cylindrical items like sleeves and cuffs can be tricky, but the FS101's free arm feature makes it a whole lot easier. This feature allows you to maneuver around those difficult areas with greater precision and less hassle. Speed is of the essence in sewing, and with the FS101's speed control, you're in command. This feature allows you to adjust the sewing speed to your comfort level and the complexity of the project at hand. The FS101 doesn't stop at that. It also sports a start-stop button, allowing you to sew without the need for a foot pedal. This feature, combined with the machine's speed control, gives you a greater degree of control and flexibility in your sewing. The needle position control is another notable feature of the FS101. This function allows you to control the needle's position, a handy tool for tasks such as quilting and applique, where precision is key. In summary, the Brother FS101 is a versatile, user-friendly sewing machine that caters to a variety of sewing needs. With its array of built-in stitches, LCD display, automatic needle threader, drop-in bobbin system, free arm, speed control, start-stop button, and needle position control, it offers a comprehensive sewing solution that's tough to beat. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced sewer, the Brother FS101 is a reliable companion that can help bring your creative visions to life.